Learn sports names in English. Do you know how to say your favorite sport in English? Let's learn some sports with examples. Football, soccer. A team game where players kick a ball to score goals.
I play football every weekend.
Basketball. A game where you throw a ball into a high basket.
He is good at basketball.
Tennis. Players hit a ball with a racket over a net.
She plays tennis with her friend.
Swimming. Moving through water using your body.
I go swimming every morning.
Volleyball. Players hit a ball over a net with their hands.
We play volleyball at the beach.
Running. Moving fast on foot.
He goes running in the park.
Cycling. Riding a bicycle. I enjoy cycling with my friends. Boxing. Two people fight with gloves.
Boxing is a tough sport.
Karate. A martial art with kicks and punches.
He learns karate at school.
Baseball. Players hit a ball and run bases.
Baseball is popular in the USA.
Table tennis. Small ball game on a table.
We play table tennis at home.
Badminton. A fast game with a shuttlecock.
She loves badminton.
Golf. Hitting a ball into holes with a club.
My dad plays golf on Sundays.
Horse riding. Riding on a horse.
She enjoys horse riding.
Archery. Shooting arrows with a bow.
Archery needs focus.
Fencing. Sword fighting sport.
Fencing is a fast sport.
Thanks for watching. Repeat, remember, and speak.